Welcome to Redline Review. If you believe that every trip, no matter how long, should be amazing, the daring 2026 Ferrari Motorhome blends authentic Italian performance with customized luxury living. It is the first real supercar motorhome, fusing luxury and state-of-the-art technology with Ferrari's racing pedigree. Performance and external design. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome has a distinctive exterior. The lightweight bodywork made of aluminum alloy and carbon fiber was inspired by Ferrari Formula One. Aerodynamic channels and an active rear diffuser that enhance airflow and stability are part of its performance DNA. The prancing horse LED headlights and unique air intakes are all included on the striking broad grille. For a more streamlined appearance and less drag, swap out mirrors for retractable side cameras. Ferrari's flagship hypercar chassis is powered by a hybrid V12 engine. With more than 900 horsepower, it sets a class record by accelerating the motorhome to highway speeds in less than 5 seconds. On mountain passes and along the coast, precise performance is ensured with variable magneto, rheological dampers, and rear-wheel steering. Specifics: interior design. The camper van is infused with Ferrari's luxury and racing fervor. A digital instrument cluster and carbon fiber accents reminiscent of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale are features of the driver-focused dashboard. All activities are accessible thanks to integrated controls and flat-bottom steering wheels. The living area is adorned with Italian leather, exposed carbon, and Alcantara inlays. Each surface is expertly hand-finished, combining contemporary elegance with a dash of motorsport flair. Features of the lounge: 2 athletic chairs that may be made into queen beds thanks to motorized recliners. A 55-inch OLED panel with multi-channel sound designed by JBL Ferrari. Ambient lighting in Ferrari. Red beautiful vistas and abundant natural light from a panoramic rooftop. Gourmet kitchen and dining. Everything you need to host in style is in the design kitchen. A convection oven and espresso integrated within a flush-mounted induction cooktop. Big wine cooler, smart refrigerator with touch control, cabinets made of carbon fiber with soft close drawers. A modern eating space for 4 people might be converted into a lounge or workplace. Private room, bathroom, a spa-like bathroom featuring a Bluetooth speaker, a rainfall shower, and ambient lighting. Marble floors that are heated vanity mirror with backlighting and designer fixtures. Just the water closet. The king-size memory foam bed in the private back sleeping suite is adorned with sheets embroidered with Ferraris. Customized closet cabinets, USB-C ports, and reading lights, networking and technology. There is innovation everywhere, including the focal point, 17-inch controller with a touchscreen, voice control for the climate, entertainment, and lighting. Hotspot, Wi-Fi, and 5G internet, numerous wireless charging pads and USB hubs. Driver safety assistance features of Ferrari Motorhome. Stop-and-go cruising that can be adjusted. Support for lane centering using enhanced 360-degree cameras. Vehicle emergency brake, cross-traffic, and blind spot alerts. In summary, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome combines the luxury of a penthouse suite with Ferrari's performance. Every mile from the Highlands to the Riviera is a display of Italian creativity, speed, and grace.